Alright guys, so we got another pretty solid day here. We came into that range. I got out a little early. I was really tired this morning and didn't want to deal with like worrying about it. So I got out here for a pretty decent gain, but if I had stayed in, would have made a lot more money, that's for sure. But in either case, this move here. First off, we had the love card here, which is not the best example of the love card, but that is the love card there. And then we have this rally, this Princess of Wands rally, which offered opportunity to open up a short. We go into price swings here in the last hour. There's the possibility that we met the high that this high correlator is talking about, or we see the high again within the midst of these price swings that we have here in the last hour. But either way, off of the high, we should see a decline with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down, opening lower tomorrow. And I'll look to close out of the shorts that I opened. I opened a put here, and then I cost averaged down right around here. So I'll look to close those puts there in the morning tomorrow. But we basically hit that range. There's also the possibility that we open around the same price level, but then we decline pretty notably. Although I think it's probably that we open lower. There's a bit of a rally into a crest in the pre-market, and then we decline into the open. But this is where I'm at right now. Not bad. Not bad at all. What's up, Hermes? You wanna come sit on my lap? Okay. You're a good boy, you know. Hey, Round Earth. What do you mean shill? I don't know that word. Yeah, I think you're probably right about that based on what I'm seeing here in the reading. And I think I remember I wanted to buy a call in Tesla, but I had no buying power because they had exercised my puts. So let's take a look. What a move. Yeah, so off of the April low, however, there is a move from the bottom of the range all the way to the top of a range. So I think you're probably quite right. Hermes, okay, buddy, you gotta go off my lap. I'm trying to work. Sorry, little guy. Hey. Hermes. I feel like shill has a negative connotation to it, though. Might not be the best word, but I get what you mean. Let's look at the April Tesla and see what it says. Yeah, there's like a huge move off of this. I'm buying a call right here, guys. From the bottom of a range to the top of a range. What the heck? What the heck just happened here? Oh. Oh, why did it do that? Yeah, so the closer we get to the close, the more I feel like we'll probably already saw the high here, like the combo of the Princess of Wands and the high correlation after it in the midst of these price swings. This high is right here, like halfway through the 2 to 3 o'clock hours. So that's very likely we hit the high already, and we should see a decline here. I think we probably rally back tomorrow to like, we probably open lower and then rally back to like this price level in the morning and then decline from that. I'm just annoyed. I should have stayed in my calls. I was so tired. I went to sleep so late last night, and I got up and I just like, my mind wasn't prepared to trade. So I have 3 day trades already. So I have 0 day trades that I can take. I just closed out of everything. It was like the highest my account had ever been. I mean, well, not ever, but I mean since refunding it with the 1800. And the cost averaging that put me into a nice price point on those puts now, 503 puts. And we came right into that range that I said is the highest probability. Although I'm not sure why I have it here. This should have been over here. I probably just put it over the wrong dag. Right, so open lower tomorrow, probably lower on Wednesday, and then this big move to the upside. Hey Robert, hey Proof, hey Hamza, hey Shahana Wakar. hey, Proof. So yeah, I was looking at that Bitcoin chart. Looks like I was a little late on that opportunity there, but like I said, there's also probably a lower one in May. There's a good chance there's a lower one in May based on what I've seen. The Bitcoin, the public version of the Bitcoin May readings coming out tomorrow. I think at like 3:30. If you have early access on our website, then you can probably already see it now. What the heck? Yeah, see, it looks like it came in a little early. I was a little late on that. Where did you get 24th, 25th from, Proof? Like, it doesn't say anything about the 24th, like on the reading about there being a low there on the 24th, 25th. I think I was probably just late here. But like I said, there's also very likely a lower price level in May. I was off on this one a little bit on the timing. Will XRP explode soon? I'm also hopping off a little early here, guys. It's Passover, so I have to get ready for a Seder tonight. Looks like it. May's a pretty bullish month for XRP. Yeah, May's a pretty bullish month for XRP. The XRP May reading, all the May readings should have been out, but I was just so far behind. The May reading for XRP is coming out tomorrow or the following day. It should be out tonight for early access. Usually there's a much bigger gap of time between early access release and public, but we're so backed up right now. By the time I release June readings, we'll be back on schedule, I guess. When's a good time to buy Shiba Inu? I mean, based on that, I would say, like, it's a good time now. Let's look at the April reading, though. So I would probably buy here on the 26th. I wouldn't wait longer. I'd probably buy a little bit here on the 23rd, 24th cusp. And then if we go lower as expected on the 25th, 26th into a lowest low, I would complete the long position there. You could close out of it for a pretty solid gain on the 28th, like really quickly. Or you could hold it, for a longer period because we should be going into highs there pretty soon. Hey, just Chevy Tubbs. Scotty the AI token. Where do they come up with these names? I should make a coin called whatever token. Whatever. The whatever token. The because I can token. Alright, Scotty the AI will reach 20 cents this year. No, it will not. Jasmine coin reaches 30 cents this year. GBTC does not reach $3. Yeah, it looks like that high is probably in. Like I said. Should see a pretty significant drop here. I think I got an impression this morning of a big drop in silver. Okay, so it looks like we probably come back to a high before going into a lowest low here. Want to see something? Yeah, silver took a sharp drop. I had a silver spoon in my like kit of tools that fell on the floor this morning, and immediately came to my mind that silver would probably drop. So tomorrow, be very careful in gold because there's some sort of intentional fake out or shakeout. We probably see a high like really soon, another high really soon, maybe like on Friday even. Probably the same high. Ethereum will not hit 8K by the end of the year. No, that's a no. Just joking. Because the Ethereum lowest possible was around the 21st, 24th. Oh, so you're saying we're talking about Bitcoin, right? I mean, there may be another low here on the 29th. But it gets a little interesting here because it gets like pretty choppy in a lot of the cryptos here in the last bit of April. And there's quite a few cryptos that have a big move to the upside in the last few days off of a low. So it may be that we see the Bitcoin low again. Matter of fact, I mean, it's a possibility. But again, like I said, that I actually see us going lower in May. And that's what I'm talking about. I don't plan on adding any money to this like through transfers. I only plan to grow this account by adding profits. So far, so good. Our worst loss was our very first trade. We started at 2,000 last year at the very end of the year, and started the year this year at 1,800, 1,600 or 1,800, something like that. But since then, we've come back pretty nicely. Like right here, there's probably a really big move on the 26th from a low into a high, and then back, vice versa, back the other way on the 29th. Hey, AV. Will SPY retrace its today's gains tomorrow? Looks like it, yeah. I got a no for the QQQ though. Let me try that again. Yeah, I got a no for the QQQ. Hey Shub, welcome. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Does WAXP token drop by end of April? Yes or no? It actually looks like we probably come back to highs here. Yeah, so we probably come back to like this price level around the end of the month. Let me see. Yeah, okay, so we come back to roughly there. It might even be here. It might even be here. Let's make another one. So AVX, the big move in AVAX is at the end of the year, I'm pretty sure. Let me double check on that. I thought I just saw it. There we go. Actually, that's not the one I want. So it looks like after a really solid drop, well, first there's a move to the upside in the end of the month here, but then there's a really solid drop, like on a 1 year chart scale in the early part of May before a big move, pushing the upper end of a range higher there. Hey B. So B, I just bought an at the money call in Tesla that expires in May, like towards the end of May, May 17th. Because I see a pretty notable move. Where's my Tesla? I think I closed that one. Here we go. Yeah, there's like a huge move here starting on the 23rd. It might be out of a lower price level. It's possible. But we are pretty much oversold here at this point. Actually, it looks like we turn around here. We think we go higher from here. This is a really big move. This might actually take us all the way back to the highs for the month. Yeah, it's probably going to take us back to the highs for the month. Excuse me. Whew. non-marked up Dogecoin. So limited vision, your limited depth of vision here. So it looks like we have a pretty notable move to the downside tomorrow. Probably somewhere in this range here. Somewhere in there. Probably not that far down, but it could. I have no price targets for Volt, my friend. Like I said, don't trade this information using price levels. Not good. Not a good way to. It's not a good way to trade. All right. It was like I was actually just gonna hop off. I'll answer those questions for you real quick, but just those two, and then I gotta roll because I have somewhere I need to be. Yeah, so Tesla we've already been through like twice, so I'm not going to go through that again. But I'll tell you that I bought a call, an at-the-money call today in Tesla that expires May 17th. MAGA Trump token. Best time to get in. It looks like between June 11th and June 20th, best time to get in. Guys, we also have another coupon code. Only releasing this here on the live, or if you're an angel investor, angel investors, they get access to the free Discord server that we have just for angel investors. And I post all of the best coupons and discounts, special offers and whatnot there. So only place you can get it is here on the live when I announce it, or if you're on the Discord server. But we're talking about 50% off custom monthlies right now. The earliest I think at this point that you can order is July. Normally you could still order June, But like I said, we're trying to catch up here, so we pushed it. Earliest you can order now is July. All right, guys. With that said, here's the coupon code, and I'm gonna roll. What is that coupon code? Here we go. It's a custom 50982. Custom 50982. Where do I put that? Custom 50982. That gets you 50% off on custom monthly readings. You get the custom monthly reading here, normally $1,000. Estimate posts. Monthly subscription, or excuse me, custom monthly right here. Specify the month, specify the year, and the ticker, and if it's crypto, specify that it's crypto. With the coupon code, it comes in to be 500. That coupon code is valid until the end of the month, my friends. Expires May 1st. Now, with that said, thank you all so much for watching. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so here on the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders. 5% of all profits from this information should be donated forward to one of the charities here on the resources tab, or if you have a charity that you want to send it to, just make sure 5% is sent forward, and then 5% of the profit should be donated back to the channel here. One of these links, you can, if you're international, you can use crypto. This is probably the Wise, the app Wise, and the crypto are probably the easiest ways for internationals to donate. And people that regularly donate, following through on the rule of karma, we call them angel investors. The universe sends it back to them tenfold for following through on this. Not to mention they get that invite to our private Discord server just for angel investors, like the inner circle of Tarot for Traders, if you will. All right, my friends. Again, that coupon code custom 50982. The coupon code is custom 50982. It gets you 50% off on custom monthly readings.